Okay, so I'll be evaluating the use of VPNs. So looking at pros and cons and like things people do with the VPN. So the main one is telecommuting and remote working, and it's basically where people just work from home and they use tools such as the internet, emails, or communication software such as Zoom to to work. And the difference between telecommuting and remote working is fully staying at home, whilst telecommuting is you sometimes go to work and work there. And with when you work with a VPN service, all of your traffic is routed and encrypted within the server, so the internet connection is secure and private, and that's why it's much easier nowadays to work remotely. So the pros of VPN. So the first one is just like the branches of the company are able to connect together using tunneling, and VPN is cheap nowadays. So companies can either buy a service or even make their own VPN, which will be cheaper in the long run. More benefits. It's reliable. So VPN services require validation for both sides. And they also encrypt the data in case anything happens. And it saves time and increases productivity. So by allowing workers to either work at home or at the workspace, depending on which one they're more productive with, it will increase the productivity of the company. And on the right is the inventor of VPN. Yeah, he is. Okay, then there are only a few cons. So the main one is significant latency. So if you decide to have a longer distance from yourself and another point, then the speed would be even slower because VPN has to hop in between routers in order to access the either point. And also, if a company decides to buy, let's say, 1 GB bandwidth for its VPN, and there are 100 workers using it once, it will just divide and the speed would slow down. Another con is it's banned or regulated in some countries. So in the UAE, it used to be banned, but now it's just regulated. Whilst in North Korea, it's banned altogether. No, it's not regulated.
But how do you mean? So like only companies can use it, or like can individuals use it as well? Wait, how can VPN be regulated? Not like the whole, not the point of VPN.
Well, no, because companies can't just like hide them buying like VPN routers and
No,
like
it's regulated, but
tunneling.
you can't see what you're. The data
Yeah,
is
like
encrypted.
officially it's fine to use.
They regulate the data as well.
No, and then also certain websites, like mostly streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, ban VPN use because there's legislation in some countries, so you can't access it. And then I just have two questions because there wasn't really a lot. So the first one is, what is telecommuting? Said.
Telecommuting is how stuff goes around on the internet. What do you mean? Like, just how like wire data flows across the internet.
What? That's when you work.
Pass it on.
Okay, Jack.
No, not him.
Okay. Oh.
Is when the people who are working can choose to stay home, but not permanently, but also go into work. They can communicate by their work.
That's nice.
Well, you can just work from home, man. It's complicated.
They can choose to work from home.
Partially work and work.
Through the online technology.
Okay, yeah. And my second question goes to Jack.
Okay.
Give two advantages and disadvantages of VPN.
Advantages of using VPN is it's encrypted and you can access blocked sites. Disadvantages.
No,
would be-
it says real life examples as well, Jack.
What kind of websites can you access using VPN?
You can access Netflix shows that aren't available in your region.
20% is legislation.
Yeah, 20% is
Voices,
legislation.
Yeah.
And encrypted, so I don't have an example for encryption. But then your disadvantages would be, is it costly?
Oh my god.
He just
Jack, it's actually just the opposite of what I just talked about.
he said how cheap it is.
Yeah.
No, but some are costly.
I mean,
Okay,
you said it's added cost, you know, he said.
It's like $10 a
Can I
month.
answer that one?
Jack, a company can pay like $5 a month for a VPN.
I swear, the other time when I said it was cheap, everyone went at me saying it's expensive.
That is true, yeah.
Yeah.
We did.
Well, I
We did.
researched more and it's cheap. Jack, it costs like $2.5 a month. Okay,
It's also slow.
just keep going, Jack. Like there are like so many more disadvantages. Okay, so I'll stop asking the hobo.
So just stop recording. Stop recording.